na baby a ye de begu bia no enonom ekọ water table no asase no ase baby ensuo nti wusi wutu fie atu abura no cyanide no se memfa ne se ufie no okọ kwansin ba akubi na se ye tubi wo ho ana se be kwansin be enum na ye tubi wo ho a enonom fa asase na se ba nsuo na wutu wo fie ho ni nyina nti se de wo de wani hu wo asase so no enye sa na nsuo na da asase ase ne te
Ebusianfo aha GhanaNsem TV GH message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded you'll be notified. Ebusianfo Nana Jantuah. Ade Nana Jantuah so a journalist enyeza. Oya juma won Shira FM enyeza. En debut. Debia me ba ka asem bia odin Kwasiapanin menem sesa na sana moji. Well, mukano sa enya shara ya wrong. Esa ze nitira meba. Nana Jantuah si ni krom ayo Obuasi. Eye gold. Sika koko. That they are how I say it, mining ewo hono. Mfaswo bia ne so. Uko kronima, there is no development. Now, no development, no. Who are you blaming, Nana Jantuah? We are journalists. Journalism is seen as the fourth, and I say media, the fourth arm of government. That arm of government that keeps the judiciary, the executive, the parliament, or the legislature in check. And as a journalist, fact-checking, accuracy, right? And say wukrum, sikakoko. Now you're mining, both small scale and large scale. Now who's faswa? What do you do? Advocacy, and also a media for Juma. But instead of doing these things, no, who the 8 years Akufo-Addo huntainti. Out of sheer hatred for Akufo-Addo. Making sure say anything Akufo-Addo baye biano and IPP government baye biano when we fought no. Whilst you were doing all these things, who were you expecting to do the advocacy for your hometown? When you had made it your point, your attention, your focus, that you wanted to see NPP down. You wanted to see Akufo-Addo down, Bawumia down. Until one propaganda, false reportage every now and then, every day of the week, every month of the year. Forgot you are coming from your hometown. Anyhow. But I thought you said this government was going to do everything better. I thought you said this government was going to bring paradise. And see, they say what somebody saying. I don't get it. Are you not enjoying paradise? Kwen no. Say kwen paradise, ana. You know, Jantuah me wo voter region make me say we krom no Obuasi. We are not benefiting from Sikakoko no me there. We so me junior there. I'm thinking about our own. And let everyone carry their cross. So, you catch them who say, more propaganda, more making sure say, NDC are buying we back. Obia ending the lane mo. Like we don't want to even hear any noise. No noise. Obia ending the lane mo. Sana ye rekon. And see, kwen. How is it kwen? Kwen do you? Kwen do me? All of us we kwen. Before the video is happening, I'll see in the next one.
Omuni bulletproof vest. Omuni akadie. Dodo na use motorbikes. Pick up crank on beti media bar pro. Mako na obi. Enti me maka say ye serious pass here fight galamsey. One, Forestry Commission. It was here Ritulu Forestry Commission. At least, upgrade them to a paramilitary organization.
Okay.
So that they will be able to import guns and ammunitions almost the bay the training as a regimental institution.
Okay.
Because no more a regimental.
Entinka wo no etimi gina yi anka ye hia se ye asrafo be ko wura mu.
Because okay. A hono mote.
Omunim ho kra.
So of course I'm boy forest reserves are ho tananwa boy tano tano fin tano nimre enum nyina no.
Okay.
Ye wo a forestry commission post e wo inchi. Ye obi o samra boy.
Right.
So etu amo de e hono mote. E hono mo didi hono mo da.
Tu wura mu kra be wi a obehu.
Yes.
Okay.
Enti e was say ye see base. E was say me makase ye divide forest into regions.
Okay.
The Ashanti region be will be ha. It is your me and Sakra Ashanti region. Permanent post. Ye money manned by forest guards. Omo fully equipped.
Wow.
Near CC post to homo a honomati. Hey, say forestry guards no be behind dying.
So no tikrum.
Or high dying. And
where forest
grass hono. Ubi dying or high. It imagine says if you were GhanaNsem. Obeda kwacheno.
Oh, who's what can
yes. Say if you were GhanaNsem. Obeda kwacheno.
If you were bamboo kra na ya na so
there are instances, and I can tell you instances are forest guards ni bi. Oma koye dwuma ko pam GhanaNsem for na GhanaNsem for anadwo oma dan oma beku om. Yeah, e bi o ho.
Hey. I didn't know it.
Yeah. A very serious issue. One, I was here retool forestry commission.
Yeah.
They set a permanent basis across the forest reserves.
Okay.
Every region be I was at least one and permanently there. BBC wa and ya fe ni efre naimus.
So no free crime ra.
Emra meye juma. Na omo ho. In case omo hear more helper, then they call for reinforcement.
Sure.
But they themselves must be equipped to the point on betting media disadvantage.
Senior, you're bringing you zoom me on to LI 2501. No, I mean, so what you want some kakra. Forestry Commission were concerns. When your home popo yes or more DNA well addressed than
okay, LI
Omo 2462 Omo revoking to Omo de fofroba. I boy a forest and you know by
fofro na eba na fe no omo ye inputs.
Sure.
Enom ne niema omo de bekum. Nia ye twa mu no na ni nyina anye bone saa. Nia na ewo mu anye ene ekwan a omo ye caveat bi to ho a omo timi de ma license for forest reserves.
But first of all, Ghana Institute of Forestry HSA yam consult omo before this 2501 no LI no also ye centronia sabi wako field ni ade so ya what be ya consult
me wonwa say ye be pass such a law without the input of the Institute of Foresters because someone dey decide you man me wonwa pa.
Wow.
It is omunya consult o ma we dey say ye nyam pass e dey encourage
omunya ntem
eto omunya ntem enra be pie ho ema Forestry Commission boss Dr. Hugh Brown e ka ho asem e wo ho na megidi ye se aban ne betie na sopam na ma fra o ma sisa o ma dwene e wo ho because omo na ye adwuma no omo na wo grounds.
Sure.
Into omo na nim kwan e be fa so e be ye no
e be so an
me makasa say e pese ye mining no crowd of forest reserves ma which of course mining in forest reserves and starting new. Ho ansa kra na LI 2462 neighbor. Eto here tra no nom ne other mining companies are. There are many of them are mining in forest reserves. But your kwanya ye no and say the entire forest.
Sure.
And no na some of us ya can say still ye pese ye mining no. Me dey come kwa and come here mining crowd forest reserve. But some still I was here ya. Your kwanya mra no LI 2462 no ekire say one untimi enye alluvia.
Okay.
El forest reserve.
Okay.
Alluvia na say the entire forest.
Okay.
But with my deep pit and underground mining.
Right.
It wu to agudie wa asase na se. But asase na ni nua na bibia ho. And na untimi horo agudie no nso onwura num ho.
say no na ye nananom ye netiti o
sa pepe
donko ba wo na msura wo mu
na no mo horo no kwaye num omu tu ani obenya na anwea ne ade no de kofie
wakɔhoro
no ho so na me we nyina nkamfu ano
right
nia ekosese a ehu pa na emsa manfo adwen ma so na say namos baby a hwediem ho na omkɔche abrante
yeah
I didn't say we nyina ba ye a whole ndwuma no mu di ho mo de cyanide eye bibi e friend leaching
wow
on say you know gold no mo horo a anwea na ye to agu the friend tailings no o ma hu say about 70% of gold no GhanaNsem for intimenche enti o mo ye bibi e friend leaching on the cyanide na cyanide ye wudro kese pa
seriously
enkola o ma di form na Professor Sampene ye o mo ye chemicals o mo hu wo awutwanum no dodo na cyanide
wow
enti eye wudro a se e consume na asase mu a it take a very long time years to get out and you me pacho so wa wutie me so obi the cyanide ye leaching e wo mpotamu na wani agye awo so a ebedi wunya big time na hu ne
na mo sa cyanide no munya free
ebi free Burkina eneba
tini ya chi wo mani ya chi Burkina fo ebi zo na mu
sa leaching ade no Burkina fo ne expert pa enti say no na obi ye o mkototo tailings na no ma betu amana no the cyanide ne acid no ahono no sa no ma gold no mu wi a esan say omu nim hu nim de ekwan e befa so e be disposal of residue unity no omu ja no ho ensuo to a etene kogu ensu tinimu ni ade
ne ye nom
enti mesre
right
ebi wo kuromu a enem panyimfo nye enka mutirimum na yinyin firi ho wawu yedi
right senior yeda say Erastus as life is in danger na say ehu abono osusu say yebetumi akuno enti okofie in fact so tie sa asem ye no all year press conference ya wo kan any the okan 2024 no a look at the vast difference ye di wachi tutu ana because captain Bisao clear question o see ye tutu ma ka nipa mienu kura wo pick up nim but while press conference you couldn't even mention say ampai tutu ko so o see you were going to feel say life ye danger ntino ukofie na investigation no kwa akosi to a and ye be hu truth ewom you went ahead to even talk about videos so why didn't you give the videos to the task force to watch when they came to you amanofo omai say ejabeto mu afi omo awo imagine 2024 no senkai bia amanfo ewo ho no onkoko pa ye say yate say yakoto tutu abo ye parliamentary candidate nti eye na ndc fo o nyina kokko pa ye na say jeto mu boom and so now wa wonim say that incident no it's not factual enya dia e course said ye na wo describe on sa abre no wo bra guarantee interview with Captain Smart no hwe politicians mu hwe you na oman na yetimi ye only one Ghana and here muntaka this woman has said say o your trofo and what you said enya no kre wa be gina Ghana fo nyina ani mu atwantro that's what the woman wants to tell you o se tax force na mampania pa wo da no no be twantro and the dear tune so. Now, if this is a member of parliament, if this woman is a member of parliament, now and I believe that Muntaka, you do the needful investigations. You know, actually, this woman will come and face whatever it is. Laws, no ma a woman, and she say a woman try what traditional state institutions. What public no cause so panic and fear at that time. Constituency will be press will be pino. And they own the okeka. And I'm here na be who ball me na me say me coffee. But also a tutu abo. Anke ka e yikran ke ebo ebo eye uncrofo a typical. It also ye Ghana ni na wo ye babunu na politician ba be frɛ say akwa we say kokoye say ya know that most of them ɛyɛ atorofo politicians dodoɔ no anka nokorɛ ɛwɔ ɔman mu, and this is very dangerous to our peace and security of the nation. Yɛnhwɛ ne yie na after this task force adwuma no ɛtwa sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bi wɔ hɔ nom a mmara no ne wɔ mu di kokye na abatoɔ a basaba saa na aman bi ahye no aman bi nkakra sɛ yɛ a ɛna agya tɔm wom na abatoɔ akyi aman no nyinaa ahye na yɛkɔ ne sɛ ne yɛde toro wurawuram na ɔma nkɔ so nyɛ yi a yɛtoa na da yɛbɛtoa baabi no agya tɔm sɛ wom. This should be a lesson to us. After this investigation, some heads must roll na yɛhu sɛ ɔman no bambɔ no ɛho hia. Insha 104.5 Nana Kwadwo
problem ne say abai won fi yen a we will take action.
Yeah.
It me say ne GhanaNsem issue no aye deadly. Sa Delta Force.
Yeah.
Any militant groups na wɔ Nigeria no ebi aba menka say ebi aba ho
omo na ebi akɔfo omo abegugura mu
ba now Burkina say one of the things aye ho adwuma ne say omo the cyanide
serious
say muntie say omo the cyanide ye ka cyanide
very deadly.
Ye the cyanide mpacho muntie. He say investigations say go so ya enche ye de beba abontene say manso enclave ne baby bebre wo ho a GhanaNsem for ne the cyanide and say omudi huhuru gold no mu wi o ma say jagu enso nim te wo de otowa wo so mfa ho ye nom cyanide ye wu cyanide nso kra de e dangerous e poisonous kra che lead ne mercury no right now research na ye
na unim say with this cyanide no ese no na gold no say bia omo tuwie anwea na ese ya na bi wo mu no omo de cyanide ne natwe gold ne di free mu na ba bia ye de begu bia no enonom ekọ water table no asase no ase ba bia nsuo nti wo se wotu fie atu abura no cyanide no se memfa ne se ufie no okọ kwansin ba akobi na se ye tu bi wo ho ana se be kwansin be enum na ye tu bi wo ho a enonom fa asase na se ba nsuo na wotu wo fie ho ni nyina nti se de wode wani hu wa asase so no enye sa na nsuo na da asase ase ne te na cyanide no nom ko sa water table no a wo betu abura wo fie na wo nom
me say cyanide
and this is dangerous
aba say cyanide muntie abusanfo mutie yen cyanide pato boa me the effect of cyanide na nkofo ntie de eke eye poisonous na se sia ye kasa because mimi krom pechi na matu yi eche o mutu GhanaNsem enti manso enclave ni amansie ne takwane na sefo nyina no excessive use of cyanide and as say ekoso and as say esipo into the water table and me say enche ye the research ne beba
na nwanwa say
na me yema hyeme wo me hu kakra no and omo say so far me ne expert ne twetwe nkomo no omo say higher than the normal.
Oh yeah. Na unim say high dose no so ye dangerous. Cyanide ni be akomu a dose no wo soro a obetimi collapse at once.
Cyanide
cardiac arrest obetimi anyawu. And this is very dangerous. Na liver problems ni de keka kan wono kra de ye nka wo.
Yeah.
Ese bofa wo so a Jeff, thank you. Ebi di tipaye ene ade esutimi ba so du ana koma boni periperi wonte ase na nse menyade mente apone ade a. Na unim say betumi ababi mu kra anya. Ne ho obetumi anya saa aho woso no te se de wanya etwere no na unim say timi yo mo sa because wo nerves na affect wo nerves no neurological system no ebe effect na
neurological ye dem from entiase
honam akwa ni bi no na eno no eye yemfa say honamu ntini a ebua ma nipadua no edi nkita ho nipadua ne adwene no di nkita ho ne ade enti no nipa no ho a won say ase sabe ne ho ba bi popo e ho ase uti no kras wonte ne ba bi aye nampo ne ade a nana e serious
na was asem we yensan ka de bebim ne nchew
liver any kidney no de kra de
enti e what's papa wo tie me tie o tina me say ne structural violence ne say oman a wo ye ka go da ka ho wo kwan nye adwuma ni system ni mu enkrofo esu yetimi si ye kwan na yasa makwan na sa koso traffic emfuturo kunipa enkofo hospitals nye hwe aferi minie ya nyame nkwan komu enye nyame ne ba mo nkomu kowi because of GhanaNsem activities inti sa aferi hospital ne ye adwuma ugiri senka e wose nkomu de umba kolebu e kan say agi
Debbie.
Same way na debia ye can mo nhyɛ da nte ase na mo de you are only interested in who wins. Afaria yera Mahama ye na Nana Akufo-Addo so beto aso wie ye a. Anka se nka nkofo bebre a mo problem no. Sebi nkom beba ha.
Yeah.
And then what is happening? And then what is happening? Say people needed to die.
Serious.
And Kofonia problem say na cyanide ekoso nyinahi because GhanaNsem foi nyinahi manso omuti cyanide mu omudi di cyanide mu omuye bibia cyanide mu eno abi no musadi di atoso de no ebekọ kejete ne obekọ akoto intos ne nyaadoa cyanide nsuo enti ye ka untie yen structural violence.
Seriously.
One of the things I mean many age any the good board ne ye no.
Yeah.
Say